Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. Today, being the expiry day, Nifty literally closed at the lows of the day. Even Bank Nifty clearly saw profit booking, and all those people who had even sold 15,700 call options, they ate all the premium whatever they had. And even people who had sold 15,900 call, 16,000 call for weekly expiry, full premium was theirs. If you also see Bank Nifty, which closed at 34,684, all those Bank Nifty options, again, those who sold 34,700 or even above strike price for the weekly expiry, they fully ate the premium. In fact, in spite of European market and Dow futures being positive today afternoon, our market clearly saw that profit booking, and it was only one way, that was just going down. And I'm sure you all remember the level which I told was 15,750 on futures. I repeatedly told, if you are trading below 15,750 on futures, market will see sell off. And similarly on Bank Nifty, 34,900. In fact, even now I'm saying 35,100 will be a stiff resistance. Unless you cross above 35,100 on Bank Nifty future, there is no positional buying also. And if you see today, HDFC Bank and Reliance, the heavyweight, they were seeing sell off only because FII continued to manage their trades on the index on the downside by controlling the largest market capitalization stocks, that being HDFC Bank as well as Reliance Industry. And stock specific moves in mid and small caps were seen. However, overall market had a clear decline. If you see the data of FIIs and DIIs, even today FIIs had a sell figure close to 1250 crore, and DIIs today bought again to the extent of 900 crore. But you can see every day FIIs have been selling over 1,000 crore easily. Even at the peak at 15,850 to 15,900, FIIs remained sellers, and even now they remain the sellers. One has to be very light on this market on the long side, especially you have to be very low on your leverage position, and you have to be very stock specific. And for me, FMCG specifically, due to its high valuation, can see some amount of profit booking in coming days. And let me also tell you, FIIs in large cap stocks, normally they buy stocks like Reliance Industry, HDFC Bank, HDFC, all these stocks which are FII favorite, they can see also some amount of profit booking in the coming days. One has to be very cautious at these levels of market, but then leverage should not be taken at this point of time, and one has to wait out for good opportunity to buy. However, your long-term investment, whatever you have, the monthly systematic investment plans, what you are doing, that should never be stopped. This is just for a trader who understands the short-term move. And if you are so aggressive on the long side, and if you are so confident on the buy positions whatever you have for trading, at least then you have to do a hedge. Now what do you mean by this hedge? For whatever long positions you have, take short positions to set off and have an hedge in market, so that by chance if market starts falling down, the good stocks where you are long, they may not come down in a huge way, they might slightly underperform, but then the hedge what you have because of the short positions in market, that will definitely save you. And have a very light leverage during these times, so that any down move you can still withstand, and you can hold to your position because you have lesser quantity, lesser leverage, and you can take the M2M loss on the carry forward position. Also, let me tell to each one of you, today is a chartered accountancy day, or we call it as CA day on 1st of July. But let me also tell you, today is also a doctor's day. So we have to wish all chartered accountants who take care of wealth and all doctors who take care of health. Do remember, health and wealth always go hand in hand. Even the Chartered Accountants Day and the Doctor Day has come together on July 1st. And being a very proud chartered accountant, I want to wish each and every chartered accountant whom we have in this country. And let me tell you, for a population of 135 crores, we have only about 3,30,000 chartered accountants. And if I am one among those 3,30,000 chartered accountants, I am very, very proud to be a chartered accountant. But then let me tell you, my success and my victory is not me being a chartered accountant. It is to see you people profitable and to see you people make money with tons of learning, what I keep giving in my Easy Money Show and in your YouTube channel Rudralogy. Hope all these inputs are adding lot of value to you guys. And let me tell you today, health is always wealth. Take care of both health and wealth. And I want to see you guys doing very great in market. And I know I am against storytelling, but then some of my fans are giving me good stories. And if these stories are relatable and helping you for better understanding, then yes, these stories make a sense. One of my fan gave this story and he asked me to put that in my YouTube channel very fast. Let me give it to you guys also. Once upon a time, there lived a very, very strong tiger, and a donkey came to this tiger and told, grass color is blue. Tiger said, no, 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 no. Grass is not blue color. It is green color. Donkey argued, no, no, grass is blue color. So both of them, they go to the king of the forest, that is lion, to decide whether grass color is blue or green. Finally, lion gives the statement or the verdict as the king of the forest and judge. It says, tiger has to be sent for jail for 5 years. So finally, as per the king's verdict, tiger accepts to go to jail for 5 years. But before going to jail, tiger asks the king of the forest, lion, please tell me correctly, is the color of the grass green or blue? Donkey says blue. Is it not wrong? Lion says, tiger, you are right. The color of the grass is green and not blue. But I'm sending you to jail for 5 years because you argued with the stupid donkey, which has no sense. And donkey will never accept that grass color is green. Arguing with donkey is senseless and meaningless. So you should not fight. Even though being so strong, you should never ever fight with donkey. And for that mistake and arguing with donkey and trying to convince donkey that the color of grass is green and not blue, I'm putting you to jail for 5 years. Hope you understood the moral of the story, and this has added value for you to also learn market and also be more happy and enjoy the small short life what we have with tons of happiness. Thank you so much for watching this program. Once again, wishing all the chartered accountants and doctors a happy, happy, happy day, birthday for each one of you. And let me just ask each one of you to give good health and wealth to all our fellow members and make this country, India, a very proud place. Thank you so much for watching this program. We'll be waiting to read your feedback down in the comment section to just see whatever effort I'm putting, is that helping you to progress. See you tomorrow with more video, more learning and more earning. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.